Hey guys, this is Old Man Wags here with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers, showing you a product sample. What we are going to do is test oxidation bleed off removal products. So what we have here, if we step back for a second, we have the aluminum siding that has oxidized, it has bled down and basically turned this brick a nice hazed color. And we are going to try Diedrich 101. We are going to be applying with a foam cannon. With the machine that we are using, that should target between an 8-to-1 and a 10-to-1 ratio of hitting the surface. After that, we're going to use mid-pressure, give it a nice gentle cascading fan down. Let's see what it does. All right guys, so as you can see, Diedrich 101 did a phenomenal job. Did a great job basically just taking everything that's on the stone surface, drawing back the original color of the stone, putting a lot of the pigment back to its natural color, natural look, and in theory, this side is going to start to look more like this side as it continues to dry and basically just works itself in a little bit deeper. You can get results like this by just focusing on small sections, doing little test areas, and basically finding the minimum dilution ratio that's going to be effective for whatever the surface stain is. There's a lot of directions that this could have gone depending on what type of stain was on there and how long it sat there, but the important thing was we were able to figure out what ratio was effective for cleaning and removing it from this specific surface. So that's something that is very easy to do with just small sample test areas. For more techniques like this, feel free to check out dirtkiller.com. If you like and subscribe below, feel free to leave your comments in the comment section below and we'll take care of them. Thank you. This is Old Man Wags with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers. Let's kill some dirt.
Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.